Alright, y'all, back with another one, but today this is coming out. It's 307 at 200 trends. We're gonna take it out, tell y'all what's next. Okay, YouTube, we got an update. So, as y'all seen in the last video, running and driving, etc., etc. But today, we're empty. Getting a new heartbeat. I don't know if I want to put the 6.2, 6L80 in there, or if I just want to do like a 5.3, 4L60. I'm debating. I got good reasonings for both, but I'm debating what I want to do. Y'all let me know in the comments, what should I do? Because part of me wants to kind of do like a raffle where it'll be, complete car painted, running, driving, everything like that. Then I'll raffle it off to you guys. So like this video, share it. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll make another video letting y'all know what I decide to do.